Hi, Chris Proper here. I was recently called to repair a door latch that was not locking, and I had already taken one screw out and discovered that a screw had snapped off in there, and so the deadbolt tumbler had lost contact there and was not locking. And I determined that this still works, it just came out of alignment. So we're going to fish that little slot onto that pin there. And that is how it functions. So this wasn't turning the deadbolt before. So since the screw snapped off in there, I'm not going to be able to get that out. We'll have to drill a new hole for it. Let's start with the bottom hole since there is no screw broken off in there. I've got new hardware for this. That might be a little too skinny. Got a little fatter screw here. Snug it up a little. So now that I've got this bottom screw in, there's no risk of this falling off the door, smash into the ground. Deadbolt still works. We're going to take a torpedo level and just get this where it needs to be. Get the bubble between the lines. Take a little pencil in case it moves. All right, I'm still on the mark. I'm gonna take a tapered countersink bit. Don't have to drive it all the way in, just get it started. Give something for the screw to sit in. It's a little beefier of a screw. Should be able to handle the wear and tear that this doorknob takes. Check for the function. That's not going anywhere. So now that we have the faceplate and the latch and the deadbolt all aligned, it's always a good idea to make sure the key works in it. So this is a new cut key, so it's not broken in yet, but there's really no resistance there. Maybe a little. Seems to work pretty good. All functions work. And now we're going to do the ultimate test and see if we can lock it from the outside. Lock, unlock. Everything works. Looks like there's been some repairs in the past to accommodate the deadbolt, but that's not my problem. Got it to work. Till next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comments section.